Welcome to this 24th guided meditation. Today, we will learn how to offer gentleness to your inner sadness by embracing it with kindness and compassion. Settle into a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a way that allows your body to relax completely. Gently close your eyes and let your body find a soothing posture. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Feel your body relax a little more with each breath. Once again, breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, release any tension or distractions. Now turn your attention to your inner sadness. Take a moment to identify it, to sense where it manifests in your body. Perhaps it feels like a weight in your chest, a sensation in your throat, or a subtle energy in your belly. Welcome this sadness without judgment. Offer it your presence and your gentleness. Imagine holding it tenderly as you would hold a fragile object or a loved one in need of comfort. Gently repeat in your mind, I acknowledge my sadness with kindness. I offer gentleness and compassion to my heart. This emotion is a part of me, and I embrace it with love. Feel this sadness evolve, perhaps becoming lighter or simply existing without resistance. Now imagine a soft, warm, and comforting light surrounding this emotion. This light is your gentleness, your inner love, bringing comfort to every part of yourself. Take a moment to stay with this feeling. Let this light soothe you and fill you with serenity. To conclude, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Take one last deep breath in and slowly exhale. Move your fingers and toes slightly to reconnect with your body. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing this gentleness and compassion into the rest of your day. Remember, your sadness deserves your compassion. Take the time to listen to it and offer it kindness whenever you feel the need.